Picklist, a relatively new feature added by Ply, allows warehouse managers or materials managers the ability to maintain a record of the items that are ready to be picked within the warehouse. Adding items to a pick list can happen in a number of different ways. You can add items to a pick list from your catalog or within a warehouse. So if we go into a specific warehouse, we can select a number of items, and there's an action here to allow us to create a. You can enter the name of the pick list. The destination from is already pre-selected by the destination that you came from, and then where you want it to go. We can add notes in case there's additional information that the person picking the materials needs to know about the material. Click Next. The materials that we've selected from the previous screen while we were in a warehouse are automatically added to the list of items. Additionally, if we need to add additional items to a pick list, you can search materials or go through a record of the materials that exist within that warehouse. When we click Next, we then have refined the list of materials that are ready to be picked, and we can add the quantities of the materials that we want. Now, something to note here that you'll see is when materials have a zero quantity, you're going to be alerted that the material does not exist. And what happens at this point is the materials will then be branched off from the original pick list, and a new pick list will be created specifically for the items that need to be ordered. We will also prompt you to automatically generate an RFQ for the replenishment of the items that are being picked that no longer exist in the warehouse. We're going to click Save and Add New Pick List. Confirm. These are the materials that are waiting on an RFQ, and we're going to head over to the pick list that we created. If we go back to the pick list management, jump right to this screen, you can see the pick list that we've created is here. We can drill into this pick list to see the items that need to be picked. We can add materials if there's an amendment that needs to be, or we can change the status. You can see that the items have been broken up into two actions, ones that need to be ordered and ones that are ready to be picked. And we're going to click Apply. The pick list has been moved from needing to be refilled to waiting for pickup now that we've indicated that pick list is waiting to be picked up. The items that were still to be ordered are in the column of need to be refilled, and we can take a look at those here. You can select these items and automatically create an RFQ from the pick list.